Hi, today in front of me Tecno Spark 10 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So open first the Play Store application and then in the search pool enter the Ampere, and now we should get this application, so tap to install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open button to open the app, click to yes I agree, pick to close and tap to OK. And after that we could see here information about my battery temperature, and in my case the temperature is 33 and 7 degrees, and also you got here more information like the battery level, capacity, voltage, Android version and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video leave thumbs up and subscribe.